Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm taking you to Nanyuki, and I was going to do some errands there, so I booked an Airbnb, which I was very specific on what I wanted. I wanted a cottage or some oldish kind of thing, and that's what I was looking for. So I found this burnt brick cottage, and that's what I went for. So make sure you stick through the end of the video to see where I went, and by the time you watch this video the festive season will have ended, and I think it will be on January, so make sure you stick to the end. First stop that you make when you're using this road is at the equator. You take your selfies, take your videos, and then just opposite there are curio shops, which they sell wood carvings and the animals and all that touristic thing, and also the lesos, but more of Kenyan way. Nanyuki-Meru highway, which is around 5 minutes drive to Nanyuki town. This is just in the middle of the compound of the host, so if you need anything or if you have any issues, they are just right there to help. So guys, this is on my left. That's when you find a 6x6 bed that has got net And then you can see how they have done for me the towel rolls, and it's so cute. And then there's a beige carpet. They have wooden floor and cedar window, and then there's the brick walls, and if you can see well, so this is the window, and there's also the brick walls, you can see. And there's another window just next to the bed. Oh, there are a lot of windows in this house. And then there's a wooden stand here for the lamp, like I don't know if it's for the lighting. And also you can see the and there's a painting over here which has been written pop-up properties of Kenya breweries. Then there's an old chair here, design ya kitambo. There's a puff, and also another window over here. You can also do like this. And also there's a fireplace. The fireplace right here, because in Nanyuki it's really cold over here, so you need to light up some fire so that you can feel very warm. And they have given this side, I did not show you this side, they've given us slippers. I don't know this one works as somewhere you can sit or what. And then up here they have done some, they've given us iron box and the mosquito kill and the tropical, and then above there, that's how it looks like. And then we go, this is what just on my right there's the sink. They've given us soap wash, and then the window there is this camera over here, just at the door of the toilet. It's a combined toilet and bathroom, so it's our bathroom. So you just pull up this curtain like this so that you can look at the bathroom on the other side. So there it is, and there, and there, and there. So now, just still on my right, they have put I'll say it's like a small open kitchen where you have this kind of seats. I wanted something not really the usual thing that we have in Nairobi, so I wanted something traditional. And these are the like bar seats. This is where you place your food, and also they've given us a fridge here to see it's working also. Here it is. Here you are given breakfast. There's eggs, bread, and butter and milk. So there's like a small cooker here for one person, and also there's a microwave.